Hello, my name is Souk, S-O-U-K, and welcome to One Carry On Away. I am making these videos, first of all, for me, to remind me of where I have gone, and second, for all of you, to remind you where you have gone, or maybe to inspire you to go somewhere new. Enjoy.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. I just got back from a 50-day trip overseas in Europe in the summer. I've had the pleasure to be able to do this most every year since 2016. I've been gone for 2 weeks to 8 weeks, and I always pack a carry-on. Today I want to share with you my packing tips to be able to do that, to travel for 2 to 8 weeks, but still have just a carry-on. I have 7 tips for you. Tip number 1. Wear your biggest, bulkiest clothes on the flight. If possible, make sure they're also your most comfortable clothes as well. Tip number 2, pick the right bag. I'll show you the bag that I've been using for years. It's a GoRuck GR2 26 liter. They also make 34 liters and 40 liters, but they all should work fine for a carry-on size. But pick the right bag for you. Tip number 3, packing cubes. Now, I use packing cubes mainly because it helps keep everything organized, not necessarily because it might save more room or not. Now, I combine tip number 3, packing cubes, with tip number 4, rolling. This does save a lot of space. I roll all of my clothes and then I put it into the packing cubes. That's tip 3 and 4 together. Tip 5, what do I actually pack for such a trip? 2 weeks to 8 weeks, I pack the exact same clothes for a summer overseas. Here is what I pack.
So here laid out, you see everything that I pack for a trip, whether it is 2 weeks, 8 weeks, anywhere in between, for just a carry-on. So let's start with the backpacks. Here's my main backpack, GoRuck GR2 26 liter. I always have a packable backpack as well. I will use that for day trips. I have a sling as well. 2 pairs of shoes, my main pair of shoes, and then some sandals, my toiletries, all my electronics. I bring a Chromebook as well. Now for the clothes themselves, I pack in groups of 7. So that they last for a week before I have to do laundry. So 7 shirts, depending on where I go and the weather, 7 long sleeves, 7 short sleeves, or a combination of that. I also have 7 pairs of shorts or pants. Again, depending where I go, 2 pairs of pants, 5 pairs of shorts. If it's for winter, maybe an extra pair of pants, not as many shorts. In these clothes, I will also have something to sleep in and something to work out in. And then already in the packing cube there, you see, I have my socks and my underwear, also 7. So in the clothes, this includes the clothes I wear on the flight. So 7 because it lasts for a whole week before I have to do laundry. Now, let's see all this packed up. As I mentioned before, I pack 7s. 7 shirts, 7 pairs of pants or shorts or a combination, and obviously I wear a pair of that 7. So if you noticed before, I only had 6 shirts out and 6 pairs of shorts and also pants. Now let's see how this looks all packed up and on my back.
Tip number 6, for all my travels, I always wear a Scotty vest. If you don't know what a Scotty vest is, it looks something like this, but the big key is it's full of pockets. I can put extra things that may not fit in my bag, but I need on the flight or as I'm walking around in this vest. Last tip, tip number 7, you don't need to pack every possible thing. You can buy things over there. wherever you're going. I tend to go to Europe. This last time, I didn't pack a lot of toothpaste. I went to a store and bought toothpaste. So you don't need to pack every possible thing for every possible scenario. Pack for the best case scenario and then buy it if you need it. If you watched this far, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.